In front of me is Nubia Pad 3D, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down. Following that, access System, go into Languages and Input, and select On-Screen Keyboard. Lastly, after tapping on Gboard, click on Text Correction. As you can see, autocorrection is over here. To manage it, click on the switcher right next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!